Hi, and welcome to more blog tutorials brought to you by VisionFriendly.com. Today we're actually going to go through how to make a new post inside of the WordPress menu. Now, there's a couple of places you can go. You can go to underneath Posts, click Add New, or you can just go to Posts. For this one, we'll just start with the Add New. Now it's going to open up a new post. You have your title, which would go right here, and in here is where you would actually type the article. I've actually prepped a couple articles so we can actually use them. How to use a blog effectively. This would be your title or your headline of your article. And down here I just pasted in some content that I've already typed out, but right here you can type in yourself any content that you want for your article, or you can actually paste from just as plain text and it won't give any formatting. Paste from Microsoft Word if you've been using Microsoft Word to kind of prep an article, or you can paste in from wherever you want, an email or from online, and you can remove any formatting so that your WordPress formatting is attached to your new article. Also, something you can do inside of WordPress is you can insert images into your articles, and basically you just click wherever you want the image to go. Up here, upload and insert. There's different media you can do. You can do videos, you can do just sounds. We're going to upload a picture, that's the most common. Uploading a picture, it can be from multiple areas. You can either do it from your computer, which you would just select where the file's saved on your computer in a folder or something from your pictures. You just select it and upload it. From a URL, which would be it's hosted online, it just has a web address of VisionFriendly.com /Bobby.jpg. There's also media library, which is photos you've already used, which is kind of nice with WordPress. If you've already used photos, or I even use PDFs, you can reuse them, such as a logo, and you can just reference here and you can put them in as many times as you want. So anytime you upload a photo, you can reuse it. It's always in here. Today, for this article, we're going to do from a URL, and I already have a image selected. The image title, it's going to be the little white text that pops up when you roll over something. We'll just call it blogging. And what's nice is you can actually put a link to the image, so when people click on it, they can see where you got it from, and you just insert it into the post. So there's my full image. It's actually kind of big, so right inside of WordPress, I can edit the image and reduce the size. So there it goes. It fits a little better. But I see that this is not wrapping around the image like you would see in an article. Right here, alignment, there's none. So if I click left, the text wraps around the photo. I'm actually going to do right. I'm artsy. I'm going to have it off to the right like a real writer. Scroll down, hit update, and now my image is updated, and it's much more fitting inside of this window. Also with WordPress, it's nice. It's not just like a newspaper article. You can insert links. It's very easy to do. You just highlight any text that you want to create a link to, and you'll see that these two buttons highlighted when I did that. So when I highlight this, these buttons come alive. The first one is insert or edit a link. The second one is to break a link. So if you already have an existing link, like this one, you can turn it off by doing that. But we want to make a new link. So create a new link. All you need is a destination. We're going to do VisionFriendly.com, of course. Now, target's very important. I always tell people to open their target in a new window, because that's going to open a new box, a new tab, so that way your blog is not closed when people navigate away to the references that you use. So I always say use that, because if you don't use that, they close the whatever reference or whatever destination you chose, your blog is gone as well. So always open a new window. Title, again, that's the little white text. It gives people a hint of where this link is going. People are skeptic. They don't want to go somewhere they may not belong, or they might not know where they're going. So always tell them where they're going to go. So we tell them they're going to VisionFriendly.com. Insert, and you'll see the word I highlighted newspaper is now a link. Just as easy, click anywhere on that link, unlink, and that's no longer a link. It's that easy. Alright, so that's pretty much the options for creating a new post. Insert your title, put in your content. You can insert a photo just to break up the monotony of text. People want to see visuals, they want to see examples, they want to see charts. In addition to images, you can actually do links. You can have them go to other blogs, former blog articles that you've already written, past articles, as well as other websites that you may reference, some statistic or, a product that you're talking about. You can always link those to those. That actually wraps it up for the title and the content section. I'm actually going to do a follow-up for all the SEO and the posting and publication elements of the blog post. So check out part 2 of this video, inserting a new blog post.